It can be difficult to tell if your partner truly loves you, but there are a number of psychological signs that they might not care as much as you think they do. In this video, we'll show you what those signs are and how to tell the difference between someone who is just acting their feelings and someone who is truly in love with you. Make sure to watch this video through to the end so you don't miss anything. 10 signs your partner doesn't love you even if you think they do. You may even speak your partner's love language fluently. If you're new to the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel, welcome to a new video. Please subscribe for more social psychology films and leave a comment below. I subscribed, and let's welcome you. Let's start with number 1. When someone is truly in love with you, they want to be with you, they enjoy your company, and they look forward to spending time with you. However, if your partner frequently acts or pretends to be busy when it's time for you to spend time together, there's a chance that they don't truly love you. They may not be interested in spending time with you, but feel compelled to because of the relationship. In this case, it might be wise to set some boundaries and spend time with other people instead. This will show your partner that you won't be waiting for them, and they may begin to change their attitude. They are only in it for the physical relationship. Number 2. They are only in it for the physical relationship and don't want anything else. Being there for the person you love is just as important as being present for them emotionally and mentally. Someone who is truly in love with you wants to connect with you on all levels. They want to share their life with you and learn everything about you. However, if your partner only seems interested in the physical aspects of the relationship and doesn't want anything else, that's a sign that they may not love you, and it's unlikely that they will change their mind anytime soon, especially if that's all they're getting out of it. Intimacy is crucial in a partnership. Although intimacy is vital in a relationship, physical intimacy is not the sole need for a successful partnership. However, it does not imply that a bodily connection is all that is required for a relationship to succeed. They seldom a compliment. They seldom ever congratulate you since you are number 3. A person might feel loved by receiving praises, which demonstrate your concern and appreciation for them. It's likely that your spouse doesn't love you as much as you believe if they don't give you many praises, but don't take this personally. Keep in mind that someone who genuinely loves you might not be as skilled at expressing their feelings as others are at number 4. Therefore, don't assume that your partner doesn't love you just because they don't compliment you frequently. Some people use compliments to trick people into believing that they love them. They give you the impression that you are totally reliant on them. Everyone needs someone to lean on occasionally, but in a healthy relationship, you should only be able to rely on your partner when it's absolutely necessary. When you do need their assistance, they are there for you and make you feel complete. However, if your partner constantly makes you feel as though you need to rely on them, or if they seem incapable of doing so, it's a sign that they don't truly love you. Instead, they may be using you to satisfy their own needs and desires without truly caring about your well-being. In such cases, it's important to set boundaries and take some time for yourself. Instead of focusing on finding someone who takes advantage of you, number 5, you should focus on developing a relationship with someone who can actually meet your needs, not someone who does. They just make touch when they need something. Whether you live together or just see each other once a month, if your spouse never makes touch with you, they may not love you. They only make contact when they need something. If your partner never makes contact with you or only does so when they need something from you, it's a sign that they don't truly love you. A person who truly loves you will want to stay in touch with you as much as possible, ask about your life, and share details of it with you. People who are in a relationship always want to stay in touch with the person they love. They love hearing your voice and receiving updates from you. However, if you are the one who contacts them and they never initiate contact. That's not a good sign. Number 6. They want to end the relationship but are afraid of being alone. They want to end the relationship but are afraid of being alone. People break up all the time, but it takes a lot of courage to end a long-term relationship. This could be an indication that your partner doesn't love you as much as you believe. If your partner truly loved you, they would not be in this situation. Your lover would battle for your relationship if they really loved you. To make things work, they would be prepared to go to any lengths, would be prepared to put up a fight for the relationship and go to any lengths to keep it going. But if they are only thinking about themselves and their happiness, they will eventually continue to be in the relationship because they fear being alone, which is unfair to you. Number 7. When anything goes wrong in a relationship, it's normal to want to point the finger at someone, but if your spouse consistently holds you responsible for everything that goes wrong, then they don't love you. When two people are in love, they take responsibility for their own actions, understand that relationships are two-way streets, and work to correct their mistakes. However, if your partner constantly blames you, it's not a good sign. It indicates that they are likely afraid of taking responsibility and would prefer to place the blame on you. 8th place. They show no regard for the connection. They show no regard for the connection. An essential element of every relationship is respect. People who love and respect one another. But if your partner doesn't seem to respect the relationship or you, then that's not a good sign. If your partner doesn't set boundaries when it comes to meeting new people or flirts with other people all the time while they're in a relationship, that's definitely not respecting the relationship. If your partner is always putting themselves first without taking your feelings into consideration, then they don't respect you. They may believe that they can do whatever they want and you will just put up with it, but that's not healthy. Number 9. They don't put in any effort. People in love put in effort because they want to please the person they care about and try to make things work. However, if your partner doesn't seem to care or doesn't put in any effort, it's a sign that they don't love you. If your partner doesn't care about the relationship, they won't bother trying to improve it or making any effort, which will ultimately lead to the relationship's demise. A person who loves you will always try to make you happy and make sure you're okay. But if your partner never seems to care about your feelings or can't seem to be happy when you're happy, then that's not a good sign. People in love care about each other and want to see the other person smile, so if your partner doesn't seem to care about your happiness, it's likely that they don't love you. It can be hard to tell if your partner truly loves you, but if you are aware of the signs, then you will be able to see the difference between someone who is just faking their feelings and someone who is genuinely in love with you. If your partner displays any of these behaviors, then it might be time to reevaluate the relationship and ask yourself if you want to continue being with them. Please note that people are different, and expressing love and affection is not always the same for everyone. But if they display most of these signs, then they probably don't love you as much as you thought, and that can be difficult to deal with, especially when you are in love with them. But the sooner you understand the truth, the better it will be for both of you. Finally, for you ladies, if you think understanding men is hard, then you should definitely learn how to trigger their hero instinct. The best way to learn about this amazing psychology is by checking out the first link in the description. Right now, it's a powerful psychology guide it's a potent psychological manual that will show you precisely how to use reverse masculine psychology to win a guy over. Tell you how to use reverse male psychology to make a guy fall in love with you. If you have read thus far, do you agree with the list? If not, is there anything you think we could have overlooked? If so, please let us know in the space provided for comments below. View further videos on this channel and click on the links provided in the description. Remember to subscribe if you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one.